Welcome to the dawn of silent destruction. Welcome to the battlefield of tomorrow. And welcome to the name that enemies fear but never see, the Astelia Shadowfang UCAV. This is not just a drone. This is not just another machine of war. This is the hunter in the sky. It does not roar. It does not announce its arrival. It moves like a ghost, invisible, untouchable, inevitable. The Shadowfang was born from one purpose: to dominate the skies where no pilot can fly, to strike where no army dares to march, to shatter defenses before the enemy even realizes they are under attack. Engineers of Astelia have carved perfection into every line of its frame. A body sculpted for stealth, coated with radar-absorbing skin, reducing its signature to almost nothing. It glides through hostile skies as though the air itself protects it. Satellites may watch, radars may scream, but the Shadowfang passes unseen, unheard, unchallenged. At the core of this beast lies a heart of fury. Twin engines, whisper quiet yet brutal in thrust, propel it faster than any interceptor could imagine. Its wings, long and predatory, give it endurance, hours of flight over hostile ground, waiting, watching, choosing the moment to strike. But a hunter is nothing without its fangs. And here, the Shadowfang earns its name. From its hidden bays, it unleashes precision weapons. Cruise missiles that fly like shadows themselves. Smart bombs guided with surgical accuracy. And loitering munitions, able to hunt their prey for hours before tearing through armor and steel. Every strike is exact. Every shot is decisive. One launch, one kill. This is not just technology. This is strategy in motion. The Shadowfang UCAV can fly alone, a lone predator across enemy skies. Or it can fly in a pack, a swarm of steel fangs, coordinated, linked, striking like wolves tearing into helpless prey. Each drone communicates. Each drone adapts. Together, they overwhelm the battlefield in silence. But what truly sets it apart is its mind. Artificial intelligence forged in Astelia's hidden laboratories gives Shadowfang the ability to think, to choose, to react in the blink of an eye. Enemy air defense locks on. Shadowfang is already gone. A missile streaks toward it. It has already changed course. It is more than a drone. It is instinct in metal form. From deserts to frozen tundra, from stormy seas to mountain fortresses, nothing can hide from its gaze. Its advanced sensors pierce through fog, through clouds, through darkness. Every heartbeat, every spark of heat on the ground is tracked. And when the order is given, destruction falls from the sky. Imagine being the enemy soldier, standing in silence, hearing nothing but the wind. And then, suddenly, fire rains from above. No warning, no escape, just annihilation. That is the power of Shadowfang. But the story does not end with combat alone. Shadowfang is a message, a signal to the world that Astelia has entered the future of warfare. No longer bound by borders. No longer slowed by terrain. Its reach extends beyond horizons, beyond oceans, beyond fear itself. Commanders see it as a shield. Generals see it as a sword. But soldiers on the ground, they see it as a shadow of death. And yet, even in its silence, the Shadowfang speaks. It says, "You cannot hide, you cannot run, you cannot survive, once I am above you." For the enemies of Astelia, it is a nightmare. For the defenders of Astelia, it is a promise. A promise that the skies will always belong to those who dare to master them. This is more than an unmanned combat aerial vehicle. This is the evolution of dominance. This is the perfection of stealth, endurance, and precision. This is the Shadowfang UCAV. And as the sun sets over the horizon, one truth becomes clear. The battlefield is no longer ruled by men in cockpits. It is ruled by shadows. By machines that never sleep. By fangs that strike before the enemy even breathes their last prayer. Welcome to the future of war. Welcome to the hunter above the clouds. Welcome to the Astelia Shadowfang UCAV. Only silence follows its path. Only ashes remain where it strikes. At Oraniki Granik, guardians of the frontier, bring you this revelation. Watch, learn, and remember. The shadow is always closer than you think.